So I got the CDI module. You might be able to hear the generator in the background running. This is the oil I took out of the generator that was run for, they said, 100 hours. Well, I'm thinking that probably that's a 100-hour oil right there. They didn't change it like they were supposed to after the 8. So a bunch of different things. It's not hard to change the oil out. You just follow the instructions. Run it for 8 hours. Change the oil out. Check your oil afterwards. Make sure it's at the proper level. Put the new CDI module in, and I'm outside. Like I said, we didn't start it in the cellar, in case you can't hear it. Brought it outside. Here it is, doing its thing. It seems to be just working just fine. So, yeah. So goodbye. $350, $75 for a CDI module, and so my time, and voila. Alright, so now I got 2 Predators. I can run everything in my fifth wheel, and maybe more.